Case 1 of Lesson 2, this is just a removal of a K-wire. There was a mechanical complication. So there's not a particular CPT guideline for this, but I've just highlighted the words that show the actual procedure. So they made a skin incision over the implant, and then the incision was deeply blunted, basically going in further. And then the pin was actually removed from the foot. So this one's pretty simple, and there's no guidelines that applied. Moving on to the next case is the right total knee arthroplasty. The only thing I want to point out about this particular case is regardless if in your book, if you look under 27447, which is the CPT code for a total knee replacement. This could include the patellar, but not all total knee replacements do include replacement of the patellar. Just know that it's going to be the same code regardless if they do. In this particular case, they did remove and replace the patellar. So this paragraph right here is talking about the removal of the the femoral, and then the second paragraph highlighted, this is all talking about removal of the tibia, and then this section right here that's highlighted in blue, that's actually talking about the patellar being cut. And then this pink is where they're actually putting in the 3 different components, which is why we would have a HCPCS2 code of C1776 3 different times, because they put in 3 different components. They put in a tibia, a femur, as well as a patellar. So that is it for lesson 2.